Good morning, children. How are you? I hope you all fine. Today we are going to see a new topic in our English class. Today we are going to see the adverbs. What is adverb? An adverb is a word which modifies the meaning of a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. So, an adverb is a word which modifies the meaning of a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. For example, girl runs quickly. Here, quickly is a adverb. Next, this is a very sweet mango. Here, very is a adverb. Next example, Peter reads quite clearly. Here, quite is a adverb. It modifies the meaning of a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. We are going to see 4 kinds of adverbs. Adverbs of manner, adverbs of place, adverbs of time, adverbs of frequency. Let us see. First, we are going to see adverbs of manner. Provide information about how a verb is done. So, it provides information about how a verb is done. Verb means action. So, it tells about how the action is done. For example, he spoke loudly. How he spoke? He spoke loudly. So, it provides information about a verb. Next example, they played happily. How they played? They played happily. So it gives information about a verb. Here some of the words are given for adverbs of manner: beautifully, happily, peacefully, slowly, quietly, easily, cheerfully, loudly, secretly. These are the some words refers to the adverbs of manner. Next, adverb of place. An adverb of place tells us about the place of action. So, it tells about the place of action and it answers the question where. It answers the question where. Where the action is take place. Okay, let us see some examples. The first example is the girls are playing outside. So, where the girls are playing? The girls are playing outside. Here, outside denotes the adverb of place. Next, I looked for your glasses everywhere. Next example, I looked for your glasses everywhere. Here, everywhere denotes the adverb of place. Next, adverbs of time. Adverbs of time provide information about the time the verb takes place. That means the action takes place. So it provides the information about the time. I started school yesterday. So here yesterday is a adverb of time. When did you start the school? I started the school yesterday. Next example, next month I will buy a house. Here next month is a adverb of time. So here some words are given: now, yesterday, tomorrow, later, yet, already, today, last month or year, last year, soon. So these are the some words denotes adverb of time. So it gives information of time the action takes place. Adverbs of frequency. Adverbs of frequency tell us how often something occurs. It tells us how often something occurs. Example, she regularly visits the park. Here, regularly denotes the adverb of frequency. Next example, I occasionally eat pizza. So here, occasionally denotes the adverb of frequency. Adverb of frequency can come before the main verb. Here visits is a main verb, so adverb of frequency regular comes before the main verb. Next example, I occasionally eat pizza. So here eat is the main verb. Occasionally denotes the adverb of frequency. It comes before the main verb. Here some words are given which is related to the adverb of frequency. Always, usually, normally, frequently, sometimes, occasionally, seldom, rarely, never. So these are the words related to the adverbs of frequency. Let us see in our textbook, children, adverbs. Recall that adverbs are words that modify a verb. So modify means it will partially changes the verb. It modify a verb, adjective or another adverb. Adverbs may denote manner, time and place. So it denote manner, time and place. Read figure 7 to learn more. Complete the table using an example of your own for each type. So for each type of adverb you have to write your own sentence here. Let us see the first type of adverb. Type of adverb, function, example, use in a sentence. Adverb denoting manner. Adverb denoting manner tells us how or in what manner something happened. So it tells how or in what manner something happened. Example words slowly, kindly, nicely. Likewise, you should write your own example here. After that, you have to write your own sentence. Example sentence, will you behave nicely at the party? Here, nicely stands for adverb denoting manner. Here you have to write your own sentence. Next, adverb denoting place. Adverb denoting place tells us where an incident occurred. So it tells us where an incident occurred. Example words, here, there, everywhere, nowhere, anywhere. Here you should write your own example word. Use in a sentence, my father is waiting there. So here there stands for adverb denoting place. Here you should write your own sentence. Next, adverb denoting time. Its function, adverb denoting time tells us when something happened. So it tells us when something happened. Example words, today, later, yesterday, now. Here you should write your own example word. Use in a sentence. I will bake a cake. When you will bake a cake? I will bake a cake today. Here, today stands for adverb denoting time. Next, recall that the drama. Here they have given the passage. Read this passage on George Washington's love for dogs and underline the adverbs. So children, you should read out this passage and underline the adverbs. Discuss these questions with your family members. How often do you help animals in need? How often do you treat others with respect? How often do you fly to space? Did your responses for the questions in Look Within 7.11 include words such as always, often, sometimes or never? Such words tell us how often something happens or does not happen. These are also adverbs. They tell us how often we do things or how often things happen or do not happen. So it tells us how often we do things or how often things happened or do not happen. Figure 8 visually represents these adverbs and their meanings. So just you go through this visual representation of the frequency of adverbs. Next, read figure 9 to understand their uses in sentences. Complete the table by adding one example for each adverb. So you should write your own example for each adverb. Let us see adverb denoting frequency and use in a sentence. Always. Always means at all times. At all times we will do the actions. Example, we should always eat and sleep on time. So we will do the action always. Here you should write your own example. Next, usually. Usually means under normal conditions. Under normal conditions we will do the action. Example, Sharanya usually wakes up early in the morning. So usually we will do the action under normal condition. Here you should write your own example. Next, frequently. Frequently means regularly or habitually. So we will do the action regularly or habitually. Example sentence, my best friend visits me frequently. So my best friend visits me frequently. Here you should write your own example. Next, often. Often means frequently or many times. We will do the action many times. Example sentence, Priyanka often reads out stories to her brother. So Priyanka often reads out stories to her brother. Here you should write your own example. Next, sometimes. We will do the action only at sometimes. Example sentence, sometimes I like to be alone. So here you should write your own example. Next, occasionally. Occasionally means at frequent or now and then. We will do the action now and then. Example sentence, Rita occasionally watches movies with her friends. Here, Rita occasionally watches movies with her friends. She will watch the movie now and then with her friends. Here you should write your own example. Next, seldom. Seldom. Seldom means not often. We will not do the actions often. We will do the actions seldom. Example sentence, my mother seldom scolds us. So, my mother seldom scolds us. Here you should write your own example. Next, rarely. Rarely means not seldom. So we will do the action rarely. Example sentence, Ushra rarely gets angry. So she will gets angry rarely. Here you should write your own example sentence. Next, never. Never means not at all. We will not do that action. Example sentence, we should never lie. So we should not tell the lie. Here you should write your own example. Words such as always, usually, frequently, often, sometimes, occasionally, seldom, rarely, never. These are the words denoting adverb of frequency. Okay, children? Next, word of caution. Adverbs denoting frequency can go before the main verb or after a form of to be verbs like am, or, is, was, were. For example, Rita rarely sees her friend. Here sees is a main verb. Rarely denotes adverb of frequency, so it comes before the main verb. Next, Kirti usually eats her lunch by 1 p.m. Here eats is a main verb. Usually denotes adverb of frequency, comes before the main verb. Next, I am never late. Here am is a be form of verb. So never refers adverb of frequency, comes after the be form of verbs. Next, my neighbors were always kind. Here were be form of verb, always denotes adverb of frequency, comes after the be form of verb. Next, tip. The adverbs often, usually, sometimes, frequently and occasionally can go at the beginning or end of a sentence. So it comes at the beginning or end of a sentence. For example, sometimes I get up early. Here adverb of frequency sometimes comes at the beginning of the sentence. Next, I visit my cousins occasionally. Here occasionally denotes adverb of frequency. It comes at the end of the sentence. We go out for lunch often. So here often refers adverb of frequency. It comes at the end of the sentence. Next, use how often to ask question to find out about the frequency of an action. For example, how often do you play football? So to ask question we will use how often. Example sentence, how often do you play football? I sometimes play football. Here sometimes refers adverb of frequency. Next, think and ink, work in pairs. You can choose any one person from your family and complete the activity 7.13. Find out more about your partner and their daily life by asking questions. For example, you may ask, do you like reading? How often do you read books? Maybe your partner reply, I love reading. I read books often. Ask your partner at least 3 questions. Take turns to do this. Record the questions you asked and your partner's responses. In your notebook, you can write in your notebook. Then you can have a discussion about the activity. Second one, work individually. Make a plan for self-improvement. So you have to make a plan for your self-improvement. You may include 5 things that you will do or not do. How often you will do this or not do this. The reason for this frequency. For example, I will learn a new hobby. I will go for classes often. This will help me learn hobby or skill better through practice. So like this you have to write your self-improvement using adverb of frequency. Next, summary 7.14. Complete the concept map. Write at least 3 examples of adverbs denoting frequency and a complete sentence using each. So do you know what is the function of adverbs denoting frequency? It tells how often we do things or how often things happen or do not happen. Refer Studio Book page number 25 and complete this page. Okay children? I hope you all understood the topic children. If you have any doubts, you can call me and clarify your doubts. Thank you children.